Bruce.
Good morning, good evening. If you guys seen the title, I'm giving my girlfriend right here.
Oh, like an angel. You see how the light was hitting me?
Yeah. But I'm giving my girlfriend a ride ever since I got the truck tuned to get her reaction, because she rode in this truck more than anybody that I know, because I drive mostly at the time. So comment below if you're in a relationship and you drive mostly at the time while you're in a relationship, because I feel your pain.
So far, it does speed up faster, don't it? Oh jeez, dude, how fast are you going?
Fast enough.
It does feel like it speeds up faster. I will say that. Are we in the Fast and the Furious or something?
Yeah.
That's what it feels like. Dude, you better slow down.
Oh,
No, it's definitely different. I will say that.
you hear the engine a lot more, right?
Yeah. Did you say I hear the engine more?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. I don't really know.
It has a purr to it now.
Yeah. I didn't really like listen to the engine before, so I don't really know the difference.
But that's not it. If I have my ECT button, it's different.
ECT?
If I have an ECT button, it'll feel a lot different.
What is an ECT?
It controls the gear ratio on like a larger stretch on the RPM.
The gear ratio,
Yeah.
which is
Shifting.
how fast the gears move.
Yeah.
ECT power. That's the button you just hit.
Yeah, it's like kind of like a secret sauce button.
Secret sauce. Eyebrows. Get my eyebrows done. Ooh! Just, oh gosh. Yeah, I hear it a lot more.
Just like a secret sauce button.
I feel like it'll be easier to get on the interstate now.
Oh yeah, it's a lot easier. I feel like I can race people now.
Yeah.
But ECT button's like if someone tries you at a light.
You can probably go faster than that car that's driving next to us.
Probably. He wants to go.
No. We don't need to do that.
Should I make more videos of like me racing cars in it?
No.
So in your
You
opinion,
mean you're trying to get more tickets?
so in your opinion, does it feel different than what it felt?
Oh yeah, it feels completely different. It is different.
So,
I would say it's completely different.
So this is true, so you're not lying, right?
I'm not lying. This is 100% true. I feel like my reaction is pretty like genuine. I'm not a vroom vroom kind of person. Like I'm very much like a calm driver. I don't pick up speed fast. So I will say that it's genuine. Oh my gosh. Bruce. What the heck? Slow down. Oh my god, you're giving me anxiety.
It's just a truck that wants to go.
Oh my gosh, hush.
You
He's
push
a
the
mess.
pedal down a little bit.
He's a
You just push it down just a little bit and it just wants to go. So if I
You
was-
need to do this to my my little Sentra.
Oh gosh, that thing would be a go-kart.
My Sentra needs the thing I miss about my Altima, I used to have an Altima. The thing don't ask me why I moved from an Altima to a Sentra. It's a really stupid story, but
It's her about on her channel.
yeah, I can tell you about it. But anyway, so like my Sentra, I miss my Altima's speed, because my Altima will pick up speed really easily. Basically, I guess the engine's different is what Bruce said. So like, anyway, my little Altima, or my little Sentra, it's like, it doesn't want to speed up for anything. And I've gotten used to it, but it would be pretty nice for it to go a little faster. I'm trying to go on the interstate and stuff. So, I mean, I would think about doing this to my Sentra, I guess, if I could. I don't know. don't really know much about
I don't know if they
tuning.
make tune for Sentras. They probably
I don't know.
do, maybe. I don't know. Someone probably does.
I don't know.
And we're gonna test it on the highway real quick. See how you like it.
Yeah, like I said, I'm not much of a need for speed kind of person. I'm a very much safe driver, so
No, this truck needed this because merging on the interstates were scary. Because I remember it was a big semi truck like riding my tail, and I was giving it like all the beans.
well, yeah.
Now it's just like I can sit back, relax a little bit, and then go.
I think this is faster than my Sentra actually. Picking up speed now. This, Bruce, slow down. Oh my gosh.
Like,
I cannot.
see how
Yeah,
different that
it
is?
does. Yeah. It is definitely faster than my Sentra.
It
picks up
of course it's
faster.
than your Sentra. Why are you comparing a truck to your Sentra?
Well, because it didn't used to be faster than my Sentra. I don't think.
That's what you felt.
I guess, I don't know, because it's bigger, so it takes longer for it to speed up than my Sentra.
Oh, yeah, we'll see. But you like the tune truck better than the stock truck?
Yeah, I like your driving before better,
No, no.
because it's safer.
No, what you mean? I am
Picking up all this speed.
safe. I am safe.
Bruce's need for speed, Michaela's like, calm down. He's taking the video away from me.
Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. As you guys can see, this is proof number 2 that the tune does work. If you guys are sketchy about my first video, because she's been in my truck more than anybody's been in my truck, so she knows how this truck used to drive.
Yeah. It's different.
And once you get this tune, trust me, you are gonna have like a little speed demon inside of you because the truck just rides so good. But like I said before, guys, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe down below. I'll put the tuner's information down below as well. And I'll see you guys later, man. Peace out.